Okay, and hello. So sometimes you want to use a light bulb, which is an old-fashioned incandescent Edison light bulb to check if your transmitter is working. So this light bulb is only, what, 60 watts or something? I don't want to burn it up, but you don't want to exceed the light bulb's capacity. This one is a what? 60 watts, I think. I can't really see it. Anyway, this one is a trusty light bulb, which I've used throughout my YouTube videos. And let's show you how to connect it up. So the first thing you do is determine which one's the ground wire. It doesn't matter, the order of these doesn't matter. So on this rig, on this TX4B, there's a ground lug. You want to put one wire right there in the ground lug for the light bulb, so you can wrap it around there. And make sure it's tight. So you want to bend this wire down a bit and put it there. It's hard with one hand to do this. And tighten it up. Everything's always harder with using one hand. That's why you have two hands. Whoa. Anyway, this whole demo is going to heck here. Let me put the phone down and do it that way. Okay. The first thing is to get the wire back on the light bulb where it was, like that. Because it came off. There, the wire's back on the light bulb. Now with two hands, I'll put it on. You first put that little wire on there. Like that. Tighten it up, make sure it's looped on there, and tighten a little screw, little nut. Like that, make sure it's tight. Yep, wire's on well. Next wire you put to the antenna output center conductor. So make sure the wire has tension on it. You want to open that loop a little bit. Okay, see how that works? The loop is open now. And you want to put it right into the center conductor where the antenna would go. Just like that. Okay, make sure it's tight. Make sure both of these are tight. And now you're ready for your light bulb test. So now you want to make sure the transmitter is ready to go. And I'm on 40 meters here. 7 megahertz. I'm on separate, which is good. It means the transmitter will do its own VFO. 40 meters for the peaking of the tubes, for the plates, plate and load. And so basically you want to go to tune position here. This button here is your bias to the final. So the higher this drive is, the more output you'll get. But you want to watch your plate meter here, and you don't want to exceed the plate on this guy. So with that said, I'm going to go to tune here now, and you first want to peak this meter. So bring this up a little bit till it wiggles if it does, and you want to peak this knob first for the drive. Okay, it's peaked. A little more drive. Peak it. Okay, now you want to dip the plate control. Here's the plate control. You want to dip it for. Oh, look at that. It's dipping. Now light bulb should be on back there. Yeah, it's on a little bit. Okay, so you want to give it some more drive and watch your plate current. You don't want to do this too much because you'll ruin your tubes. But oh, look at it go. Okay, so yeah, with the drive, it really will go. And okay, so I don't want to burn the tubes out, but if I crank this up like that and give it a real quick little hit, this thing really has some power. So watch that bulb. Tune. Wow. Okay, so that's how to use a light bulb to check your rig. And you can take the output down like this, go in tune position here, and watch how I turn the drive up. The bulb will slowly rise. And then when you tune your plate, you can tune plate for a dip on your meter and maximum bulb. So here I'm watching the meter dip, and the bulb is max. That's about it. So you don't want to. You read the manual on this Drake, but you don't really want to keep this up too high. You really want to keep the plate as low as you can and operate as low power as you can, as keep the tubes healthy. That's about it. So you keep dipping the plate, a little more drive, a little more power out the back, dip the plate, a little more drive. Don't drive it too much, because really if you get like 20, 30 more watts out of this thing and you're killing your tubes, it doesn't do that much difference on the other end with the guy hearing you. Sometimes if you're pushing out 100 watts and you try from 130, the extra 30 watts doesn't matter, okay? So that's about it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.